This is how I will be installing ULTRAFIT's EVO windshield protection film. First, we're going to be removing an already existing piece, as this customer had a rock chip that saved his glass from being shattered in millions of pieces. When you have to do a removal, I like to let this car sit for 30 to an hour in the sun. If you ain't have no sun, a steamer works also. But look how this comes off in one piece. This is what I like about that EVO from ULTRAFIT. Easy to remove, but it's also easy to install. Huge plus in this industry. Now after the removal, we have to make sure there is zero glue left on this glass. So I use a fresh towel and some alcohol. You might as well get them edges while you're there. Let's measure this out, but always give you extra. I like about 3 inches on both sides just to play this safe. And when we place this back on the vehicle, we will be sizing this piece down, so it gives it a chance to relax so you don't have the film all bunched up on the sides and the bottom. If you don't do it, it's going to allow that dirt to come right in when the edges lift up, so you have to size this piece down. Now let's transfer it back to the peel board so we can prep for install. You will need a clay pad and a prep squeegee for this prep. This is a system, y'all. Prep is key, and I prep twice to make sure we clean, and it's always be better safe than sorry. Now that we're prepped, let's spray some Instagel on here. This stuff is also going to save you guys on these installs. Make sure you're dirt free, and it also gives you a little bit of more working time. Let's transfer this now, but you will need a helping hand, so these go smooth. I got the homie Kevin here. He's going to help me transfer this onto the car. Once we are back onto the car, let's spray some of that slip solution for your lubrication for that first pass. This first pass is going to be like a soft medium, not your final. Can't go too crazy or it's going to start shifting on you, but make sure you're doing an H pattern because we're going to have to move this gel out from top to bottom. Now we spray this glass one more time, and this is time for that hard final pass, but make sure you're getting out all that moisture because I will see it if you leave it. I will be using this sprayer with hot DI water to flush out and seal all my edges and make sure there's no fingers left behind. You could also use a steamer for this as well. Alright, now let's trim, but this first trim is going to be close, but it's not going to be at an angle. Straight cut to get close to the edge, and then you flush out one more time so we are gel and slip free. Now let's grab your mom's hair dryer again and let's blow out these edges so we can let this dry out. I like to let it sit overnight though to allow this film to cure and dry for a nice clean trim. Okay, now that this car is cured, now we're going to be doing this final trim, but make sure you guys get some practice to y'all that are new to this, because we will be trimming at an angle to make sure we're edge free for a nice clean install. This trim is important, so make sure we're practicing them knife skills, and remember to train that brain so the brain can train that hand. I hope this video helps a lot of you guys out. I'm Anthony Magana, and you can follow me on IG at ppf_Tony for more tips, tricks, and my advanced techniques.